Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11 and 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful if your keyboard isn't working or whatever. To come to the bottom and click on Windows bottom and click Settings like so in Windows 10 in the middle. Here you need to click on Ease of Access in Windows 7. You come over to the left and click on Accessibility in Windows 10. Scroll down on the left here in Windows 11. You scroll down in the middle, and we just need to scroll down until we find Keyboard in the Keyboard page. You should then see the option on Screen Keyboard. You may need to scroll down slightly like I did there, switch it on and the keyboard will. Here just to show it working. You can then go and type just like so. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.